Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel, and I'm really sorry for not posting videos for a few days. As I said, I have a lot of work and it will just require me some more time before I get consistent again with the videos. But yes, I'll try my very best to be consistent from now on. And yes, markets, if you see, opened with a bit of gap down, tried to recover, but then saw profit booking, right? And I was also waiting for market to come up a little bit so that I could go ahead and short a call right over here, because if you see the buying is slowing down a little bit, so I was thinking of taking a call short position over here, and I did try to take a call short position in this candle over here, right? Once this red candle was made and below the low of this candle, I did try to take a call short position. But if you see, market hit a spike first on the upside and then the market started moving down, right? Because of which my stop loss was hit. It was a very small stop loss, but yes, nonetheless my stop loss was hit, and then I could not take a call short position because then I had some work also to attend to, and so I could not look at the market actively, right? But anyways, what can we do for tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is the weekly expiry of Bank Nifty. So is it gonna be trending? Are we again gonna see a sell-off in the market to lower levels, or are we gonna see a sideways momentum or a consolidation, right? So basically, if you see, now the market needs to take a little bit of pause on the daily chart. If you see, market has just given a breakout first of all from this trend line, and now the market needs to take a little bit of pause, or maybe even if there is selling, the selling should be slow in the market and market should drift down slowly or consolidate at this level itself if the market has to break out above this level and go up, right? And if the market does break out above this level, then we have very good space on the upside, easily to go till even 47,000, 48,000, all these levels in the coming days, right? But for that, market needs to take a little bit of kind of a breather, you can say, and then break out. Because if the market breaks out from here itself, right, then chances are market might see a breakout failure, right? Because it is very important to see a bit of consolidation and then starting to move up, right? Something like this over here, where if you see, market was going down, but there wasn't very good selling. So we will look out for some pattern like this or some pattern like this in the market, and once we start seeing a pattern like this, then we will go ahead and plan for a bullish trade. Or but if we do see very good selling coming in the market, right? Because say tomorrow itself market is at 45, market closes as 45,500, or tomorrow itself, or in the next few days itself market comes back down to 45,000, that means someone is selling aggressively in the market. The big people are selling aggressively in the market, and most probably there is something wrong, and then we will get bearish. But if the market is holding itself at these levels only, right, anywhere from 46,000, 45,700 to 46,300, in this 5 to 600 point range, if the market is holding itself, right, maybe for a week or two, or maybe even for just a few days, maybe even till the end of this week, that's fine. Then we can expect the market to break out from here and easily go up till 47,000. That will be our very easy target on the upside, and that is when we will go ahead and aggressively buy once the market sustains at this level for some time, right? What can we do for tomorrow is very simple. First of all, if you see in Bank Nifty, there is a little bit of space left on the downside for Bank Nifty to still move till 45,800. 800 to 850, you can say, is a very good support. Same thing with Nifty. 20,080 to 20,060 is also a very good support, and so Nifty has a little bit of space left, even just until even if we see for Nifty to cover this gap, there is still some space left. So tomorrow, initially what you can do is you can go ahead and take call shorts in the market. I'm not saying to go ahead and buy a put. You can go ahead and take a call short in the market in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, but in Bank Nifty you will get better premiums as compared to Nifty, because basically Nifty premiums are very dead right now, right? Bank Nifty still the premiums are a bit respectable, but in Nifty premiums are very dead. So tomorrow what you can do is that, say if you open flat, right, if you open flat or with a little bit of gap down, not with a very big gap down, anywhere with a gap down from 46,000, 45,000 maybe 900 to 46,000, 46,050, all these levels, then you can go ahead and look out for taking a call short position of 46,200, 46,300 call option. Do not go very aggressive, because market most probably might consolidate in a range tomorrow and not move anywhere, right? So if we open flat, right, then what you can do is you can go ahead and short 46,200, 46,300 call options, right? If then the market continues to move down and comes down till 45,800, that is when you can book your profit or hold your call short position for the rest of the day. But I advise to, just once you have 80% of the premium decayed, right? So say if you've shorted an option at 100 rupees and 80% of the option is gone, right? So basically the option is now going at, trading at 20 rupees. It's best to square off your position and book your profits. So that is what you can do for tomorrow if you open flat. If you open flat and start moving down, taking a directional trade will not really make sense, because from, if say, even if you take a directional trade below 45,900, right, you don't have a lot of space, right? You basically have a space till 45,800 on the downside. So there is not really a lot of space in the market for the market to move, right? So that's why taking a directional trade over here does not really make sense, right? Rather, you can go ahead and take a call short, because even if the market moves down from here, your calls will basically, decay very fast, because there is bank nifty expiry. So it's better to take a call short but not buy a put, because maybe markets might go down slowly over here. Maybe selling might happen slowly, because of which your put might not increase at all, but your calls will drastically, lose value since it's expiry tomorrow, right? On the other hand, 45,800 to 45,700, this 100-point range, or just leave 700, 45,800 to 750 will be a very important zone. In futures, 45,950 will be an important level to watch out for. If in futures 45,950 is held, then you can go ahead and go long from there, right? 45,950 is this level. From, if you see, 45,950 to 900, you can say. But if you see, in this range, market has taken support multiple times. So if the market is again taking support from this zone, then you can, kind of maybe look to short put options over here, right? Maybe 45,800 or 45,700, and hold it until maybe 46,000 is reached, or hold it till, 80% of the value is, decayed, right? So if in this range of 45,800, anywhere over here, or even at this trend line, if the market is coming at this trend line, and if you see bullish price action being made, then you can look out to even short put options over here, or maybe 45,700 or 45,800, and let it be for the rest of the day, right? Or until 80% of the premium is decayed, right? That is a trade that you can take. But mostly tomorrow expiry will be a bit of a, kind of a calm expiry or a consolidating expiry, right? But tomorrow, if we do see a very good selling in the market back till 45,500 or 45,400, maybe due to any sort of reason, because if you see, oil is at $92 and markets are at all-time high, right? USD INR, the Indian rupee, is at record low levels and markets are at all-time high. So maybe the big institutions might think that, these are the risks in the market that, that can affect the economy, and so they, go ahead and sell the market, or, take bearish positions or whatever, and tomorrow itself we see a very good selling, then it's okay. We will not take, we will not go into the FOMO and buy a put option very fast, right? We will wait for a day. If we see very good selling, then we will plan to see what we can do on the next day. Taking a trade tomorrow itself and thinking that yes, I'll capture the top, is not something that is very healthy for you. It will definitely, make you to, blow your account, and then you think that trading is gambling, right? It's not so, right? Wait for your chance and then go ahead and attack aggressively, right? Or maybe trade aggressively. If you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 46,200, then watch out for price action. If you are seeing very good buying in the market, something like this, if you are seeing very big candles being made like this, then we'll go ahead and take a buying position, but do not go very aggressive. trade with less quantity, and you can go aggressive, and you can go for buying positions over here, but keep your targets very small, 46,400, 46,500, all these levels, because still the chances are market might come, go up, and then we might see again profit booking on the downside. If you open with very big gap down somewhere near 45,700, right, all these levels, or maybe 45,800, then again price action at this zone will be very important. If you see market holding this zone, if you see market is holding this zone and we are not seeing good selling, then you can go and buy from here. But if you do not see very good buying coming in from here, and market is rather showing very good selling after opening with a gap down, if you see such big selling candles being made, then it's best to, then what you can do is you can also go ahead and go short till 45,600 on the downside and 45,500 on the downside, but do not go very aggressive. We'll wait for a day, we'll see where the market closes, and then we will go aggressive on the next day, or maybe in the next coming days. So that is for bank nifty. Talking about nifty, same thing as I said, 20,050, 20,120 in futures will be a very important support zone, which comes out to be near 20,080 to 20,070 in the spot. So this zone will be very important. If you see nifty coming down to this zone, right, tomorrow in nifty, if say we go below 20,120, you can go ahead and take a call short position in 20,200 or 20,150 call options, but do not go very aggressive, and you can hold it for the rest of the day, because markets might drift down a little bit slowly till 20,080 to 20,060 levels, and then take support from here and then start moving up, right? So if that happens, right, if that happens, say if you open flat or with a basically a very minor gap up or a gap down, then you can look for taking a call short position of 20,200 or 20,150 with less quantity, again with less quantity over here. Let the market decide where exactly the trend is going to go, and then we will go aggressive, right? Once, and then you can hold it until 20,080 to 20,060 levels on the downside, because then market might take a bit of support from here. And if the market is taking support from here, if you see bullish price action being made, then you can go long from here also, but do not go very aggressive for tomorrow, because market might consolidate in a range and then break out, right? So once that consolidation happens, right, then we will go aggressive on the buying side also. So for tomorrow, no aggressive buying and no aggressive selling in the market. That is what we will that is what we will do, right? On the downside, if market makes bullish price action from here, 20,050 to 20,080, you can take this 30 points broad range. And if you see bullish price action, or maybe a double bottom pattern, any sort of a reversal price action, then you can go bullish from here till the target of 20,120 on the upside. If you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 20,180, then it's best to actually not take a trade in nifty, right, until unless 20,200 is sustained. Once 20,200 is sustained, then you can go long from here, but keep your quantity less, because market has not taken a pullback until now. So it's best to not go very aggressive on the buying side or the selling side anywhere. If you open with a gap down straight up near 20,060, and if you are holding this level, then we can go long from here till 20,120. But if you open straight up below 20,050, then it's best to not take a trade in nifty, because there is the support of 20,000 which is very near. So basically, there won't be a lot of space left in the market for you to take a trade. So it's best to not take any sort of a short position in nifty and focus on bank nifty. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. This was my detailed analysis for tomorrow, and in all and what we can expect for tomorrow. And as I said, I'm not really expecting a very like a trending expiry with a lot of big moves. Mostly tomorrow expiry will be a bit calm, so you can sell options on both sides and keep it for the rest of the day. So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.